Hello, everybody. It's
Hi.
me,
Up
Jenna
at the start.
and I
The
am
running
with.
speed starts slowly, but gets
Hurry up!
faster each minute after you hear this signal.
Hurry up, Candace.
A single
I mean-
lap should be completed each time
That's
you
not
hear
my
this
name.
sound.
Hurry up.
Remember to run
You know
in a
that's
straight
not my
line
name.
Hurry up.
and run
That's
as
not my
long
name.
as possible.
I'm right
Can't
here.
Anytime
answer.
you fail to complete a lap before the sound, your test is over. The test will begin on the word start.
Oh my god.
On your mark, get ready, start.
Ew. I love how it says ew in it.
1,
Ah.
Oh my god.
2,
Oh my god.
Oh my god, lag.
It's lagging.
3,
Oh.
4.
4,
4. You bumped your head.
5,
No! No! You're cheating!
No, I'm not.
6,
I made the score!
7.
7, end of level 1.
Yay!
I can only make 10-minute videos because I hate this thing.
8,
Oh god.
No!
I'm cheating so bad.
Ew. I love what this ew.
9,
I'm just like holding this.
10,
Cheater, pumpkinator.
Oh my god.
11,
Team Harley Quinn.
12,
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I'm sweating so bad.
Yeah.
My puppy's getting the exercise too.
Yeah.
14,
You lost.
No, I didn't. I won. You lost.
15, end of level 2.
You're the one who lost on my computer.
16,
There it was.
17, 18, 19, 20,
You're like all the way behind me.
Not in my video.
21,
Oh my god, you're losing.
No, I'm not winning.
I'm gonna be.
It's not right. It's how many laps
I'm
you can do.
behind this tree already.
Okay, ours are lagging.
23, end of level 3.
Nah.
24,
Oh my god, you was lagging so much.
25,
Why am I running with heels on?
26,
Lag.
Lag. Lags don't count.
27,
Lag.
28,
Lag.
29,
So workouts.
30,
I'm winning right now.
31,
I got to 36 once and we're live.
32, end of level 4.
Was. Yeah.
33,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
34,
Okay. Yeah.
35,
I'm just cheating in the pacer test.
36,
Cheating. Okay, is it okay?
37,
Oh, guess who's
Dude,
winning?
I made it to 36 once.
38,
I'm so cheating.
39.
39,
40.
40, 41, end of level 5. 42,
I'm cheating.
43,
Wow, I'm lagging so much.
44,
I'm cheating. I'm just gonna wait for you.
Oh, crap, I missed one. One more time. I can miss.
46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, end of level 6.
Shit, you're beating me.
52,
That's all we're gonna do for the test. I hope you enjoyed the
Okay.
pacer test video.
In the next video, we
Bye.
are going to do derby racing.
No! Okay,
Yes.
fine. Bye, y'all. Hold on. Just let me show you something. Okay. I'm gonna go to bed. Bye, guys. So tired. That took forever. Good night. Bye. Peace out.